So welcome to your 13th Visual Basic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to use radio buttons and checkboxes, and I'm going to demonstrate this by building like a survey kind of thing. So we're going to have two questions, and they're going to be in separate things just to keep it simple. And we're going to have two questions. So the first one's going to be, are you male or female? And that's going to be made up of radio buttons, so you can check either male or female. And the second question is going to be, what kinds of music do you like? So the answers can be rap, rock and pop, and you can select as many of those as you want. So I'm going to start with the radio button one with male or female, and I'm not going to write out the question because this is a radio button and checkbox tutorial, not a designing forms tutorial. So just put in a radio button and copy and paste it to make two. Change the text property of the first one to male. Second one is going to be female. So like that. And then just put a button. And just drag that out as you like. And you see in the top here we can only fit three letters of space, probably maybe four, but because of that I'm just going to remove that completely because there's no point of being there if we can't read it. So I'm going to change the text of the button now as well to submit, and when I press this button I want it to be able to have a message box pop up and say you are male or you are female. So double click on this button, and those radio buttons are called radio button 1 and radio button 2, and we're going to use an if statement here. So we're going to do if radio button 1 dot checked equals true, then it should put the end if automatically. This condition is basically if radio button 1 is checked. That's all it means really. And then if that's true, then this is what's going to happen. We're going to have a message box dot show you are female, like that. And then we're going to put else, and since there's only one other option we don't need to put else if. We put else because if they're not male then they're going to be female, because there's only two options. So do else message box dot show and you are female. That one is supposed to be male. My mistake. So now if we run this and we select male, you are male. Female, you are female. It's not really much of a survey because it's not collecting the data, and to do that we'd have to use databases and SQL databases and things, but we'll probably get onto that in one of the future tutorials, but that'll be quite far in the future. So now just delete all of this because we're going to be starting again, and the next question is going to be what kinds of music do you like, and the answer is going to be rock, pop and rap. So just delete these and put 3 checkboxes in. Just put one and paste it twice. First one is going to be rock, and second one is going to be pop. Third one is going to be rap. So now when I press this button, and we're going to do if checkbox 1 dot checked equals true, and that's the same as what we did last time, and the end if is there already. Then message box dot show you like rock, and then we're going to do a separate if statements now because they can do more than one. If we do if and then else if, else if, else if, then it can only pick from one. So we're going to just copy this and paste it underneath, and change this to checkbox 2, and change this to you like pop. I think I put pop next. Yup. And then paste it once more, and put checkbox 3, you like rap. So now if we run this and we press submit, because we don't like any of them, nothing happens. And if we press rock, we get you like rock, press OK. And if we tick all of them, you like rock, you like pop, you like rap, or if we miss one out, you like rock, you like rap. So that's how to use radio buttons and checkboxes inside of your Visual Basic application. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe if you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.